Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Warmly welcome to all of you with another important video, day 25, as a safety officer at Saudi Aramco site. And hopefully your 24 days were quite successful, mashallah. That is the reason you are still there, mashallah. Because a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. So the person who is excellent in skill set and having right set of concepts, to implement and maintain the safety management system at any site, of course the business community will definitely give respect to such highly qualified and experienced individuals, right? So for day 25, along with your regular responsibilities, I thought why not to encourage and motivate you to start learning about chat gpt, because I just trying to learn day by day and getting a lot of benefits. Like today I just asked a few of the questions to chat gpt, and the answers were quite impressive. That is why I thought why not to motivate you also to start learning chat gpt. And it's not only for the safety officers. Even you belong to any profession, any age, you are in school life, college life, university life, or you are a professional, you need to learn actually uh, chat gpt, because a lot of benefits are there. And one of the benefit, as an example, I will share with all of you. Today just I asked how to implement a safety management system. It's a very open-ended question, but the way the structured answer I got from Chat GPT was quite impressive. So let me just share 5 bullet points how to implement a safety management system in an oil and gas company. That was the question I asked to Chat GPT app. So the answer was quite impressive, as mentioned earlier. The option one, recognize the hazards. And yes, we do risk assessment. We must have a well-defined safety plan in hand. And then, of course, the step two is all about the develop policies. Now, how to develop policies? Of course, again, we can ask Chat GPT, and how to recognize hazards. Again, these questions can also be well answered by Chat GPT, right? So the learning momentum, our learning, circle must be well structured also. So 360-degree learning, like we take one point, what is safety policy, how to develop it, how to implement, and all these questions wherever you believe some structured guidance you are looking for. Same way, the third is assigned responsibilities. Yes, without uh, allocating the responsibilities, any system is hard to implement, right? Same way, we have to, once you have assigned responsibilities, the next step is to train people and implement your training plan, right? So training, but effective training. And again, how to implement a training plan, how to deliver a effective training. That is another way we can start learning what GPT can answer. Only, the one thing I noted in Chat GPT is the experience, like, because each individual have different kind of experience, and that is the only area where I'm sure Chat GPT would be hard for such apps to capture your individual experience, because everyone is having a unique experience with different kind of scenarios. Day to day challenges are there outside, but of course, the generic, still some guidance. Chat GPT will be uh, referring us, and will be helping a lot. Now, the last number five is all about established communication. It's internal, external, and make sure everything is well communicated from top to bottom or bottom to top. Is all like at every level of your organization, everything is well communicated, easily communicated, communicating. And the people are easily understanding what exactly you're talking about health and safety management systems. What I mean to say is, just by asking one simple question, this is what the structured answer I got from chat gpt. That is That is why I'm also learning, and the same way encouraging you all, please start learning Chat GPT and make your life easier and save a lot of working hours, reduce your you can use the Chat GPT in your I'm sure for internal auditing reports, how to write a good report, how to write a technical safety report, or how to write an investigation report related to accident. So the more solid questions you will ask, the more better structured answers you'll get. And this is how we can start learning. And I'm sure a time will come. We don't need might be the universities, might be the colleges, might be the schools, and of course the training institutes might be as well, but the experience is unbeatable. So whatever experience we are sharing to each other, that would again be remarkable and the astonishing, and I would say the most valuable element even in future, even after this Chat GPT. So keep learning, and I hope it will give you some energy, because sometimes we are addicted with the same routine, and it's really hard to adapt the new changes. So Chat GPT, the new technology, the AI, artificial intelligence, is a new learning, it's a new beginning. It will transform industries very soon. Within months, I'm looking after, the things will start getting changed drastically. So this is the perfect time to keep ourselves also updated. And I hope some of you already quite familiar, but still there is audience required our motivation, and we all, the better learners, have to share our learning experience with the freshers. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself.